Hey guys, it's me, Chimney. Well, we're dropping my dad at the airport, and my mommy is driving. And we're going to repair my bicycle here.
You used to ride it first on bicycle.
And so see you in the next video. Bye.
Don't mind Chimney. It's my bicycle. Don't mind Chimney. Chimney, you're just stingy.
Dude, we just started. Yes. Turn it back.
Yeah, videoing you,
You people will be tired of me this holiday. You'll be tired of me.
Good body.
Hello everyone, this is Chimney again. We're here and we have almost arrived at the airport, and I'll continue the video when we get there. Bye. Yeah. Bye, Dad.
Alright, people.
Daddy, how long are you going to be away?
2 or 3 weeks.
See you 3 weeks later.
A bear.
On this line. Follow them. Out. Yeah.
Daddy, see you in 3 weeks.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Be a good boy, yeah? Take care of everybody. You go.
Yes.
No trouble. Anything mommy says, you guys should do it, eh? Don't worry.
guys.
Alright.
That's okay, fast. Oh, dear money.
So, we are at Air Force Base.
So this is going to be my
NAF Base, by the grace of God. Yeah, I like that. Keep saying it.
This is going to be my school.
Yeah. It's gonna be your school. So it's this way. This is the way to the school and the hospital, right? This is the way to the school and the hospital.
Jenny, what am I mean right now? Have a dump, like
Of course.
for you.
Yeah. No. Eh? No way.
The only way that you can live here is to join the Air Force.
Wait. So did I say that if you are going to be living, you must have a roommate?
Yes, of course.
Like 2 people stay in one room.
I think more than 2. Yes.
This reminds me of my family school. Everybody stays in one particular room.
Yes, no. It's a secondary school, and it's not like I think it's going to be more than that. So we just got this. She goes on now. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. I've snapped. Let's go. Mona, are you lost? What are you thinking? What do you like this school? You like it, Abby? It's a very nice school. Very nice. It looks brand new, right? But the brakes. So picked up your bike. So you wanna ride it?